If Allah is with you, that's all you need. That's all you need. When everyone else is basically is basically calling for a narrative of delusion, don't be afraid. Learn and speak it. Connect yourself through Quran. Connect yourself to ilm. Ilm and knowledge is the only way to help you identify delusion, manipulation, and a narrative that is nothing but putting in a delusion to keep people away from truth. So ilm is your key. You have to connect yourself to learning Islam. If you're not learning Islam, then you're going to be fed and literally spoon fed. We